Bucket wheel excavator. The bucket wheel excavator is one of the largest land vehicles ever created. Its unusual appearance makes it look more like a giant industrial machine from another world. These enormous vehicles are mainly used in large-scale mining operations, especially in open-pit coal mines across countries like Germany and Poland. Instead of digging with a single bucket like a regular excavator, this machine uses a giant rotating wheel covered with multiple buckets that continuously scoop material from the ground. The wheel slowly turns while conveyor systems inside the vehicle transport huge amounts of earth and rock away from the digging area. Some bucket wheel excavators are so large that they require entire crews to operate and maintain them. Their massive scale allows them to move thousands of tons of material every hour, making them extremely efficient for mining projects that cover huge areas. Despite their size, these machines move surprisingly slowly, often traveling at walking speed or less. Their unusual shape, massive height, and endless rotating wheel have made them famous far beyond the mining industry. Today they remain some of the most recognizable examples of extreme engineering used in construction and excavation work. Walking excavator. The walking excavator is one of the strangest construction machines ever developed, because it moves using independently adjustable legs rather than relying entirely on wheels or tracks. First becoming popular in mountainous regions such as Switzerland. These unusual vehicles were designed to work in terrain where normal excavators would struggle or become unstable. Each leg can extend, bend, or reposition itself individually, allowing the machine to climb over rocks, steep hillsides, rivers, and uneven ground with remarkable precision. Many models also include wheels attached to the legs, creating a hybrid movement system unlike almost anything else used in construction. Operators control the machine carefully, often making the excavator appear almost insect-like as it slowly steps across difficult landscapes. Beyond their unusual appearance, walking excavators are extremely practical for remote construction, forestry, and pipeline projects where access is limited. Traditional excavators often require roads or stable ground, but walking excavators can adapt to rough natural environments without major preparation. Their flexibility allows crews to work in places that would otherwise require dangerous manual labor. Tunnel boring machine. The tunnel boring machine is a massive underground construction vehicle, designed specifically for digging tunnels through soil and rock. Unlike traditional drilling methods that rely heavily on blasting, tunnel boring machines create smooth circular tunnels while operating continuously beneath the surface. Their enormous rotating cutting heads slowly grind through earth as the machine advances forward. Behind the cutter, the vehicle installs tunnel walls section by section, allowing excavation and structural support to happen almost simultaneously. Some of these machines are so large that workers can stand comfortably inside different compartments while the vehicle continues moving underground. Tunnel boring machines became increasingly important during the 20th century. As cities expanded subway systems, underground highways, and utility tunnels, their unusual design often resembles a giant mechanical worm traveling beneath the earth. Because each project may involve different soil conditions, many tunnel boring machines are custom built for specific jobs. Although these machines move slowly, they dramatically reduce surface disruption compared to older excavation methods. Spider crane. The spider crane is a compact lifting machine known for its unusual fold-out legs that resemble the limbs of a spider when extended. Unlike large tower cranes or truck-mounted cranes, spider cranes are designed to fit into extremely tight spaces where ordinary lifting equipment cannot operate. Many models are narrow enough to pass through standard doorways before unfolding into stable lifting platforms inside buildings. Their extendable legs spread outward at different angles, allowing the crane to stabilize itself on uneven surfaces such as staircases, rooftops, or rough construction sites. This unusual configuration gives the machine a very distinctive appearance compared to traditional cranes. Spider cranes became increasingly useful in urban construction projects, where limited space created major challenges for contractors. They are commonly used for glass installation, interior steel work and restoration projects inside crowded city environments. Some models can even operate remotely, allowing workers to control the crane from a safe distance during delicate lifting operations. Although much smaller than giant construction cranes, spider cranes are highly valued because of their precision and flexibility. Road header machine. The road header machine is a specialized construction vehicle designed for cutting rock and excavating underground spaces with precision. Unlike massive tunnel boring machines that focus mainly on circular tunnels, road headers use a movable cutting arm equipped with rotating drums covered in sharp teeth. This arm can swing in multiple directions, allowing operators to shape tunnels, mining passages and underground chambers with much greater flexibility. The machine's appearance is highly unusual, with its low-tracked body and constantly rotating cutting head creating a design that resembles a giant industrial creature moving underground. Road headers became widely used in mining and underground infrastructure projects, where blasting would be too dangerous or impractical. Their ability to cut controlled shapes makes them useful in environments requiring careful excavation near existing structures. Dust suppression systems and conveyor belts are often built directly into the vehicle, helping remove debris while excavation continues. Compared to explosive excavation methods, road headers provide smoother tunnel surfaces and improved safety for workers nearby. Side boom pipe layer. The side boom pipe layer is a highly unusual construction vehicle, designed specifically for lifting and positioning large pipeline sections across difficult terrain. At first glance it resembles a bulldozer with a giant crane arm attached to one side rather than the center. This off-center lifting design gives the machine its distinctive appearance, and allows it to carry long sections of pipe while moving carefully across construction sites. Side boom pipe layers became especially important during the expansion of oil and gas infrastructure across remote regions, where standard cranes struggled to operate. Their tracked undercarriages provide stability on mud, snow, rocky ground and steep slopes, allowing pipeline crews to work in harsh environments far from paved roads. Operators use the side-mounted boom to carefully lift a line and lower massive steel pipes into trenches with high precision. In large pipeline projects, multiple pipe layers often work together in coordinated movements to transport and position extremely heavy sections safely. Although their role is highly specialized, these machines are critical for long-distance energy infrastructure construction.